Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got another quick tip from our Don't Say series to help you sound more professional and confident. And don't forget to check out the rest of this playlist for more great tips to level up your English. Let's jump right in. Today we're talking about I'm busy. Sure, it's straightforward, but it can come across as abrupt or even a little rude. Let's make it more polite and professional. Instead of saying I'm busy, try these. I'm tied up at the moment, but I'll get back to you soon. I've got a lot on my plate right now. Can we touch base later?
I've kind of got a lot on my plate right now.
Okay, I've got a lot on my plate right now.
Or, I'm swamped today, but let's reconnect tomorrow.
Come on, I'm really swamped.
You can also keep it light and friendly with, I'm a bit stretched right now, but I'll follow up soon. Or, my schedule's packed today, but I'll make time tomorrow. See the difference? Instead of just cutting someone off with, I'm busy, you're showing that you're considerate and still engaged, even when your schedule is full. Using these phrases not only makes you sound more professional, but also helps maintain a positive tone in your conversations, whether it's at work or with friends. If you found this tip useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And don't forget to check out the other videos in the Don't Say series for more tips on how to improve your English. Until next time, don't just say, I'm busy. Be thoughtful. See you in the next one.